And we are checking out this new shop at this Jalan Yapchoi, just beside the Jalan Yapchoi, and it seems like they have quite a good food around. So let's check out. Okay, where are you now? You are at Jalan Yapchoi, just beside the Jalan Yapchoi.
So now we're in the Little House Kochabi.
那老板怎么称呼
？Mr. Lim。
Mr. Lim。哎，你这边有什么好介绍？
紫苏梅炸鸡排咯。
紫苏梅炸鸡排呀，好，你就给我一个这个。那还有什么？哪天来一个咯，卤肉饭哦，5香。因为他说这个good，他介绍是这个。OK， 好。空肉面，空吧。
香肠的。
这个香肠一个这个。
都水。
像我们一个兜水咯。
一個倒水啦。
OK， 你整幾點？你早起用 breakfast 有啊？
早起 breakfast 有啊，8點半到10點翻到 breakfast。8點半到10點。แล้ว lunch 10點到2點咯。10點到2點。dinner？我係啦，5點半。
5點半起個就係 resume 啦。
resume 5點半到9點咯。
9點啦。แล้ว off day 是幾時
？off day 是off 內節。
off 內節。拜一กับ拜4啦。OK， 很好。So today we are at this Little House Kochabi. This is a newly open. I think Bokau Chile Pai Bun Lanjit near. So we are checking out the snack here first. There are a few snacks here. This is the Chai Dao Gui. Chai Dao Gui is a radish cake. Wow, it looks so good. Wow, khao chả crunchy bún hả? Outside crunchy and then it's very juicy inside. It's 很多个好吃啊 Oh, very good. Yum. So good. This one is potato. It's sweet potato. A sweet potato here they serve together with the sour plum powder. So it tastes like sweet and also appetizing at the same time. And after the deep fried, the outside layer is a bit crunchy. It's very nice. Oh, so good. And then this is the prawn fritters. Prawn fritters serving together with the mayonnaise. This one also very good. Let's try. The set that I'm going to try out today one is the Tuka Cho, the pork trotter vinegar, braised in vinegar. Wow, looks so good. Này, chiếc này á. Very good luôn. Cao bì giò. Quite thick and also I can feel the impact, the kick of this ginger. Very nice. And also have to try out this. The rice is actually put together with the lobak sauce. Lobak sauce. Lobak chiang. Braised pork sauce rice. This one is very nice, unique. So serving together with the tuka chop. The tea here is actually free flow Chinese tea. So the next dish that we are going to check out here is the braised pork noodle served with Taiwanese sausage. On top of that, I actually packed with this veggie and also the braised egg as well. And I need to bring this out. This is the homemade wasabi. So this is something unique here. Hey, the wasabi is not that spicy, and also I think they blend in a bit with this mayo. Very nice, unique. And let's check out this braised noodle. Very authentic Taiwanese style a braised noodle. Kochabi. Yes. Alright. Check on the sausage. 哎，好呀好呀。Good. So the following dishes here, this is the loba and kongba rice. Check out this rice. ญี่ปุ่นquite the bad 哦，ญี่ปุ่น啊 I think it quite standardized 嘅，有冇用雙嘅。And this is loba. Yeah. Prepare fresh. Upon order. This is good. One of their signature here, purple sume chicken chop. As you can see, the portion is very big, gigantic. Chicken Thai. This is chicken Thai. Purple sumo is gì à? Su mei ji. It actually sprinkled with a bit of this sour plum. Kita mau sui nữa. Crunchy outside and also juicy inside. It's very tender for the meat. Wow. 嘅你有乜感覺？入嚟了，煎一度喎。For very good dish. 四白好料。OK。